Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. IKEA has unveiled the Vappeby portable speaker lamp. One of the chips was the Spotify tap button, which allows you to quickly switch playback from another device. The Spotify tap feature is not as common. So far it has only been available on Sony Link Buds, Jabra Elite 4 Active and noise cancelling headphones 700 speakers and headphones. The lamp will be able in blue and gray. The case is made of matte plastic with protection against water and dust according to the IP65 standard. The device will charge via USB-C. A full charge of the battery is enough for 12 hours of battery life. IKEA Vappeby is a great accessory for gathering on the balcony, in the garden, or on the terrace of a country house. In addition, it is an additional source of light and music to create an atmosphere. The novelty is available for order in IKEA stores. US price is $65. That's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!